This time I am going to quickly show you how to add music from well-known artists to Instagram posts, since many people try to add music but only get tracks that are pre-selected by the app and cannot add music from well-known artists. So here I am going to explain the method so you can put any music you search for in the search bar. Then we click on the plus icon to post an image. In this case I am going to post this channel logo. Wait, let me select it for a moment. This logo, then we click on next. We click on next to continue with the publication process. Notice that several Instagram tracks appear here, and there's also an option to explore to see more songs. We can search for songs from explore or click next. Here we can already enter the name of the post, and here it also shows add music. If we click on add music, several preset songs from Instagram will appear. In the search bar, for example, let's type Maluma. Here a Maluma song will come up. Listen to how it sounds.
And if you feel like going back to...
There it is perfect, but for many people this other one won't sound good.
It would be a dream to have.
For several people these songs won't play and they won't appear either. That's why I'm going to explain how to make songs by well-known artists appear. So what we are going to do is go back. We are going to delete this post. We are not going to publish it yet. We go to our profile and then click on the 3 configuration lines to get more options in this upper part. Here we are going to scroll down and look for the option that says, I will show you now, types of accounts and tools. We click here. Then we select the option switch to professional account. We tap share web and road tools or simply say continue. Once we are going to look here for the category. You can put video creator so that more songs from different artists appear, and we click done. There we put video creator. It's loading. There we click on creator because we are going to have a professional creator account. Here we get this notice. We click on continue. Here we click on not now. Then these options appear that we can skip or look at, but I skip them because it's not necessary to do them right now. So in this way we already have a creator account, and if we go back to settings you'll see more options and this option that says creator controls and tools. We tap there, then scroll down and tap on change account type. Here we can choose a business account or a personal account, which is what we had before, but in this case we will leave it as a creator account so we can use songs from different artists in our posts. So now we are going to post a photo. We will click on next, and here you can search for the song of the artist you want and the song should appear. In this case I will use Maluma as an example again, and if you feel like it. So this is how you can use any song from any artist for your posts on Instagram. I hope the information, the video is helpful. Remember to check the description where I leave more recommended videos of other features and tricks for Instagram. See you next time. Check the description now.